In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a login page for Squarespace member areas. Whether you're an entrepreneur building an exclusive community or perhaps a creative wanting to offer premium content, member areas can significantly enhance your website's functionality. So, let's dive into how you can set this up efficiently. First things first, head over to the Squarespace website. Once you're there, and after logging in, you'll find yourself on the home page. This is your control center where you can manage all aspects of your website. From here, look for the website option. You should find it among the top menus. Go ahead and click on website. Now, direct your attention to pages. Pages is where all the magic happens in terms of organizing your site's layout and structure. Click it open and you'll get a list of existing pages on your site. These could include your home page, contact page, portfolio, or any other pages you've already set up. We'll need to create a new page for our member area, so look towards the upper part where you see the plus icon. This little icon is your gateway to adding new pages. Click on it, and from the options shown, you'll want to select Member Site. Choosing this option begins the setup for a section of your website specifically reserved for members. The next step, after creating your Member Site section, is to choose a template. Squarespace provides a variety of templates that can be tailored to your unique needs. Each template will come with different design options and functionalities, so take a little time to preview and select one that aligns closest with the content and the experience you envision for your members. Now it's time to think about the content you will provide in your member area. This is a crucial part because the value you offer will determine your members' engagement. Whether it's exclusive blog posts, videos, courses, or special offers, ensure that you are considering your audience's needs and expectations. Quality content can foster a strong community, keeping members subscribed and active. Finally, let's customize your navigation to make sure everything flows smoothly and intuitively for your users. A well-organized navigation system helps members find what they're looking for quickly and easily, enhancing their overall experience on your site. Adjust your navigation links to highlight member-only areas and ensure clear labeling so users can distinguish public content from member-exclusive content. And that's it. You've successfully set up a login page for Squarespace member areas. Remember, creating a member area is not just about having a login form, but about crafting an entire experience that adds value to your community. Thanks for watching, and I hope these steps help you launch a successful member area on your Squarespace site. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.